My name is Alison Thomas and I am a senior veterinary surgeon at the Animal Hospital in Victoria. All parts of the lily plant are toxic to cats, so that includes the leaves and the flowers and the pollen. It's possible for a cat to become poisoned by walking close to a vase of cut lilies and getting pollen on the fur. The cat may subsequently eat this by grooming its fur later in the day. It does cause a very severe illness, and in some cases cats can die as a result of lily poisoning. Bluebells, cyclamen, azaleas, rhododendrons, foxgloves are all examples of plants that can be toxic for dogs or cats or both. Some fruit and vegetables are toxic to dogs and cats as well. For example, onions can cause a really nasty anemia in dogs, and grapes can cause kidney problems, so should never be fed to dogs. In general, the symptoms of poisoning from a toxic plant would be related to irritation of the stomach, which is the first point that they contact. This might be vomiting or diarrhea.
So while some plants can be harmful to your dogs, others can provide a lot of extra stimulation and interest to them. Here at the Blue Cross Centre in Burford, we've created a sensory garden that will help give all the homeless dogs a bit of extra fun and extra things to sniff around when they're out and about on their walks. Catnip and catgrass is really good for cats and they really enjoy it. It can make them feel really playful and giddy. It also is really good for helping prevent them nibble on your more desired plants. So dogs also like some of these herbs for their interesting smells and healing properties. So you've got mint here, which is really good for skin complaints and for helping with stomach upsets. You've got rosemary and thyme here, which is quite good for helping with diarrhea or any sort of runny tummies. You've got catmint, which is very good to help them feel more playful. You've got lavender here, which is really good for the high-strung dogs that are having a bit of a struggle and need some time out from kennels. And also dogs that are highly strung and a little bit stressed out with kennel life do really enjoy having a sniff of this wheatgrass, and also hops as well is very good for them. So these plants are all really easy for you to keep in your garden. It can provide a lot of extra stimulation and some fun for your dogs.